Abacada by Filipino singer-songwriter Florante is a popular nostalgic OP and song that functions as an educational song for the Filipino alphabet. Set to a simple nursery rhyme-like melody, the lyrics encourage studying, respect for teachers, and the importance of learning, using the abacada phonetic structures. The educational purpose of this song aims to teach the basic of the Tagalog alphabet. The message of this song highlights the values of education encapsulated in line like "Ang mag-aral ay gintong tunay." This song released in 1980s, appearing on compilation like The Best of Florante.